What's up, pretty people? Welcome back to another brand new Adobe Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a Photolab effect in your Photoshop. So let's begin. So first of all, what can you do? You have to download this PNG full PNG icon. So I can provide this one in my description, so you can just download it. And now I have this picture, so I have to remove this background. So what can I do? I just click this rectangle marquee tool and then select and mask. Then make sure you select this quick selection tool and then select this select and offset. It takes just a few seconds to select your object. Alright, after selecting, you actually just click OK. Make sure you can select this documented colors and then click OK. Alright, it's just a click remove your background very easily. So make sure you just use this layer as a smart object layer. And now we can go to our next step. So our next step is go to this brush effect. So I just move this effect in my main artwork. And then go to just resize it. So I just zoom out and resize it. Alright, now zoom in again, and I'm just going to this. So I have a color palette which is I am also providing in description. You can download it, and then I'm just using this two color in this whole design. So first of all, I'm just using this light color in my background, and the second color is in my brush. So just go to the eyedropper tool and click this eye tool and just go to the paint bucket tool and select your background and then click it. And after all, you have to go this brush, select this brush, and then go to color overlay and then select this color. I'm also selected, so this is now you can select, then click OK. Alright, now you can just remove your color palette. Then what can you do? Just go your picture and then move it in main or canvas. So I'm just move it and resize it. So I'm just resize it. Alright, now what can you do? Just press your control and then select this brush effect. So I'm just selected, so it's just going to the select, and then go to this mask option. Just click it and it's going to be a mask. Now what can you do? You just need to just resize it. So just unlink this brush and then click this image and then go to your effect. So you can make sure this is okay to just your according to your effect or canvas. Alright, now you can see the some of my face is not visible. So what can I do? I just click this black option portion and then go to make sure you can select this black and white and then go to select the brush tools and then select this first one and make sure you can select this hardness is 0 and then you just use this your brush very easily. So I'm just remove my invisible hidden portion of this picture. Alright, now what can I do? Just click this picture and go to filter and select this filter gallery. So here you have this picture. So I'm just using, you can use a different type of picture. So I'm just using this as poster edges. and then I'm just using this edges thickness is 0 and edges intensity is 0 and the posterization is 2. Then click OK. All right guys, it's completely okay and it's just a good to go.